Hey guys, it's John at Small Addictions here, also known as Rocket Man, for those of you that have been watching for a while. So we're doing installment number 4 of our community model build. I started by prepping all the pieces with a nice sharp X-Acto blade, gave all the exhaust pipes and mufflers a nice profile. Tried to do something a little more exciting than just exhaust, and I started by painting everything with the Testors silver enamel, which we'll show you here. And then I left this muffler just silver because I wanted it to be a new muffler. The car's a used car, obviously in need of repair if you look at the other muffler. But you know, in today's economy, we just can't afford all the parts that we need. So just the one. We used Paneliner on an X-Acto blade, and I used that to score the junction between the new part and the old part. And it made a nice light line, kind of like a separation between the old and the new parts. I used my X-Acto knife to rough up the surface of that muffler, to bore some holes in the side and the front. And then I used the AK dark rust color and also the orange brown to kind of blend in that rust color and make it look old and rotted out. That's what we were going for. Then I used the rust streaks, brushed that on everything except for the new part, and then just blotted it away with a Kleenex. And that really gave it a nice, you know, old rusty patina-ish look. It came out really nice, and it's hard for me to say, but I'm really happy with the results, and that says something. I glued the parts in with BSI Maxi-Cure. The little mounting tabs that were in here are pretty tall, and I didn't want glue running all down, so I wanted a nice thicker glue that I could just dab onto those mounting tabs and, you know, place the exhaust. And it worked well, and it's holding great. That's about all I've got to say about what I did on the model. Next week you will catch installment number 5. So it's Rocket Man signing off.